A pleasant morning to each and everyone. My name is Dafainly Hernaez, and today we will be presenting our business plan entitled Casaba Bliss Bite, together with my group mates, Mr. Kyle Octaviano, Mr. Mohamed Copio, and Ms. Jotina Valdez. Today, we're here to unveil something special, a venture that not only celebrates our cultural heritage but also embodies the spirit of innovation and camaraderie. Nestled right here on campus, we're proud to introduce Casaba Bliss Bite, a heaven for all lovers of Filipino delicacies. Located at ISPSC Cervantes campus in front of Technology Building, our cozy corner promises to transport you to the vibrant streets with every bite of our cassava cakes. But our journey doesn't stop there. To stay connected and engaged, we invite you to follow us on our social media platforms. You can find us on Facebook at Casaba Bliss Bite, Instagram, and TikTok. Or you can call us on our contact numbers 0930-8382-380. Join us as we share the joy of delicious treats and memorable moments. And now, without further ado, let's dive into our executive summary. Casaba Bliss Bite isn't just about serving delicious treats. It's about creating memorable experiences that brings people together. Welcome to the world of Casaba Delights, where we can redefine indulgence with our irresistible cassava cakes, crafted with passion and innovation. Our group, known as Casaba Bliss Bite, takes pride in our unique name, which combines the essence of our specialty product of cassava with spirit of camaraderie that comes with being a squad. Cassava cakes, also known as Casaba Puto Delish, a cherished Filipino delicacy loved for its gluten-free goodness, made with grated cassava, coconut, and brown sugar. Each cake is a symphony of flavors, elevated with drizzle of condensed milk and chocolate syrup. We've revolutionized the traditional steaming method to ensure accessibility for all. Our cassava cakes offers numerous health benefits, being rich in carbohydrates and fiber, promoting digestive health and reducing inflammation. Our commitment to excellence, innovation, and community engagement is at the core of everything we do. Our goal is not just to satisfy your cravings, but to create experiences that inspire loyalty and trust in our brand, fostering long-lasting relationship with our customer. Join us on a journey of flavor and community spirit with Casaba Delights. Indulge in the best cassava cakes in our school campus and experience the joy of every bite. Picture yourself savoring the classic goodness of our original flavor of cassava cakes, a timeless favorite that embodies the rich of heritage of Filipino cuisine. Now, let's add a twist of excitement with our ube flavor cassava cake. Vibrant purple hues and irresistible sweetness come together in the modern of interpretation of Filipino classic. Okay everyone, that's all for our executive summary, and now, let's welcome Mr. Kyle Octaviano to present our general description.
General business description, overall vision and purpose. To create a vibrant community where delicious and nutritious cassava cakes are not only enjoyed but celebrated, fostering a culture of culinary creativity and entrepreneurship. Our purpose is to enrich lives by providing high-quality, delicious, and nutritious cassava cakes that not only satisfy cravings but also promote health and well-being. Through our commitment to excellence, innovation, and community engagement, we aim to inspire and empower individuals to explore their culinary passions and entrepreneurial spirit, contributing to the growth and vibrancy of our local community. Mission statement: to produce and market high-quality cassava cakes that satisfy the taste buds of our customers while generating sustainable profits. Our mission is to craft and distribute premium cassava cakes that delight our customers' palates with exceptional taste and quality, while ensuring the longevity and profitability of our business. Through meticulous attention to ingredients, recipes, and production, we strive to exceed expectations and build lasting relationships with our customers. Passion and commitment. The reason why we choose this particular business idea is because of unwavering dedication to crafting each cake with the finest ingredients, meticulous attention to detail, and a deep-rooted love for the culinary artistry. We are driven by the desire to consistently deliver exceptional quality and taste exceeding our customers' expectations with every bite. Our commitment extends beyond mere satisfaction. It's about creating moments of joy and indulgence that leave a lasting impression, inspiring loyalty and trust in our brand. Objective: to establish a strong presence in the local market. Market share. This criterion measures the percentage of total sales or market share captured by our business in the local market. It indicates our shop position and competitiveness compared to the shops in the market. Next is brand awareness. This criterion assesses the level of familiarity and recognition that consumers have with our own brand and its product or services. It is important for attracting customers and building trust. Next is customer acquisition. This criterion focuses on the number of new customers of our business that can attract and acquire in the local market. It indicates the effectiveness of our marketing and sales efforts to achieve financial success and profitability. Revenue growth. This criterion measures the increase of our shop sales over a specific period. It indicates the success of our business in generating more revenue and expanding its customers base. Profit margin. This criterion calculates the net income of our business divided by its sales. It shows how much profit our business makes more sales and indicates its financial efficiency. Next is return on investment. This criterion evaluates the efficiency and profitability of investments made by our business. It helps determine the financial success of our initiatives and projects. To prioritize customer satisfaction and loyalty. First is customer satisfaction score. This criterion measures how satisfied customers are with our products, services, and overall experience. It helps assess quality and effectiveness of offerings from the customer's perspective. Next is promoter score. This criterion gauges the loyalty and likelihood of customers recommending out business to others. It provides insights into customers' advocacy and potential for attracting new customers through positive word of mouth. Next is customers' retention rate. This criterion measures the percentage of customers who continue to purchase or use products or services over a given period. It reflects the level of customers' loyalty and satisfaction with our business. Business location. Casaba Squad Shop is located at ISPC Cervantes campus. Okay, so that's all for our general business description. So let us now welcome Mr. Mohamed Copio to discuss our operating
business ownership. Casaba Squad Shop at this time is privately held partnership owned by Daphne Hornaes, Jutina Valdez, Mohamed Copio, and Kyle Octaviano. In the course of fundraising, we will explore the feasibility of both a partnership and a limited liability partnership. Competitive edge. It will showcase a well-designed interior as well as a relaxing waiting area with at-request refreshments. We go above and beyond to provide exceptional customer service and a memorable experience at every touchpoint. Whether it's through personalized recommendations, prompt delivery, or engaging social media interactions, we strive to exceed expectation and foster long-term loyalty. Target customer. Casaba Bliss Bite will serve the students and the teaching and non-teaching staff of ISPC Cervantes campus and also the residents of Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. Let's proceed to the marketing plan. And under marketing strategy, emphasize our name and unique services through advertising. Focus on the convenience of our location. And last is to build community relationships through unique and quality service, friendly and caring atmosphere, and establishing absolute dependability of our services. Under promotion strategy, we will promote our product through advertising. We will utilize local newspapers like flyers, stickers, and tarpaulin. Next is internet and social media. We will have a comprehensive website and post details on social media. The pricing strategy. Our pricing strategy will be similar to that of our competitors. We will not charge over nor substantially under standard prices for our services. We will be paying our employees a higher straight percentage of their total individual customer sales than our competitors. This will allow us to hire the best employees and have a built-in motivational factor that will keep them working hard and happily.
Management plan. Casaba Bliss Bite will carry out its day-to-day operations primarily on a first-come basis. Walk-in clients will be served by the earliest available employee, but priority will be given to clients who call ahead and their reservations. In the meantime, waiting customers can divert themselves in the lounge, which features television and current popular magazines. Organizational structure. Our initial team consists of 4 employees. Leading the group is Daphne Lee A. Hernandez, the CEO, who possesses excellent organizational and communication skills. Jutina May Valdez, the manager, contributes her expertise in financial management and budgeting. Next is Mohamed Copio, the marketing manager. And lastly, I, Cal Christopher Octaviano, the operation manager.
So let's proceed to financial plan. Total cost. The total project cost is approximately 1,400. The cost components are as follows. Number 1 is the pre-operating expenses or the advertising and promotion. This includes the tarpaulin, 150, stickers, 100, flyers, 200 with a total of 450. Next is the fixed capital. This includes the building. It is inside the Cervantes campus. And kitchen equipment is owned. Last in total cost is the working capital. This includes also the labor cost. It depends upon the profit. Raw materials includes ingredients, 700, tabs 150 ml, 150 pesos, and foil 100 with a total of 950. The total of all our expenses in total cost is 1,400 pesos. Major financial assumption. Number 1. The proposed project will be funded fully by the proponents. Number 2. It is estimated that it will take 1 week before the operation. Number 3. Working capital requirements is for 5 days. Last, the proposed project shall cater to 30 to 50 tabs orders for 5 days. It depends upon the situation. Next is the initial working capital requirement. The estimated initial working requirements capital for 1 month is 1,400. It includes the cost of the raw materials and advertising promotion. In the preceding chapters, we already break down the items for these expenses either daily or annually. Next, source of financing the project. The sources of this project will be from the contribution of the proponents. Each proponents will contribute 350 each for the total of 1,400. Their contribution will be drawn from the personal savings and sourcing out from our families. Also, the net profit will be divided equally to the proponents. SWOT analysis. Strengths. We have 7. The number 1 is customers consistently praise the high quality of our Casaba-based products, including their freshness and taste. Number 2, feedback from customers and partners highlights our exceptional customer service with friendly staff that will provide personalized assistance. Number 3, constant innovation in Casaba cake products. Number 4, unique offering not found elsewhere. Number 5, customers appreciate our strong brand reputation. Number 6, fast service food. Number 7, incredible managers. Weaknesses, we have also 5. Number 1, technology, infrastructures, industrials, low consumers oriented, and product availability and quality, limited menu. Opportunities, offer catering services for local events such as birthday and gatherings. Number 2, partner with local cafes and restaurants to supply them with our Casaba cakes. Number 3, introduce customization option for our Casaba cakes such as personalized flavors or decorations or affect local customers. Last is the threats, competition, feedback, changing consumer preferences, quality of the product, low price of substitute goods. Here is our possible questions. Number 1. Is it possible that our capital will increase within 5 days? Increasing capital within 5 days can be difficult, but there are potential strategies to explore. This might include offering promotion to attract more customers or expanding our product range to increase sales. Number 2, are we going to achieve the goal of selling 30 to 50 tubs of cassava cake selling within 5 days? Achieving that goal depends on various factors like demand, marketing efforts, and the quality of the cassava cake. With effective promotion and solid product, it's definitely feasible. Number 3, do customers afford our product? Customers can afford our product with their 50 pesos. They can have a 50 milligram cassava cake. Number 4, how can we handle customers' feedback and address any complaints or concerns? We can handle all the feedbacks, complaints, and concerns from the customers by listening and acknowledging all the opinions of the customer, and also by showing them genuine interest and attention. Number 5, what are some creative ways to package and present our cassava cakes to make them appealing to customers? Design custom containers featuring our brand logo and colors. Consider adding a clear window to showcase the cassava cakes inside and allow customers to see the product before purchasing. Number 6 question, how can we differentiate ourselves from other food businesses on the school campuses? We offer diverse range of cassava cake flavors to cater different preferences. Experiment with traditional cake flavors like original cassava cake and obi cake, purple yam cake flavor. And here also are possible problems. Number 1 question, how can we overcome the challenges of having a limited customers based on our school campuses? We can overcome these challenges by implementing mobile ordering or online delivery services to reach students who may not have time to visit our physical location. Make it convenient for customers to order our products from anywhere on our campus. Number 2 question, what measure can we take to maintain consistent quality control and address quality issues with our cassava cakes? Foster a continuous improvement within our business where everyone is encouraged to contribute ideas for enhancing quality and efficiency. Regularly review our processes, procedures, and performance metrics to identify opportunities for optimization.
And that concludes the presentation of our business plan. Once again, we are the Cassava Bliss Bite Squad.